There's a little friendly message to Ryan Love. He doesn't believe me that I have a dog. I don't like that. Say hello, puppy dog. I'm a cute puppy. He's a big boy. Weighing at 100 pounds. Meet Simbalopalulabopalop Bamboo. Or as I like to call him. The Simba. Yep. We're best friends. We're best friends. Oh my god. Alright, Simba, show us some tricks. Where you going? Go. Go, boy. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Ow. Your tail hit me. What are you doing? Show us what you got, Simba. Show us what you got. Show us what you got, girl. Oh, he's a poser. A poser up in there. Oh, he's a happy boy. Happy, happy boy. Simba. Simba. You don't look for nothing, do you? That's Simba. Oh, he just yawned. Or whimpered. Look, Simba. Look who it is. Oh, who is that? Who is that? Ah! Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Hey, Simba. Who did? Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. Ryan. Ryan Love. Where is he? He's living! And I'm doing like a whole back turn just to get him in the frame. Hey, Simba, come follow me. Come on. Come on. Oh, crap. I just stepped in poop. Oh God. Oh, no. Simba. Simba. Simba-lop-a-loo-la-bop-a-lop, bamboo. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then comment, like, and subscribe for more content of my life.